continue and intensify our resistance to corruption, plunder, and abuse of power by the BBM administration. It will be another year of suffering for the Filipino people as we start a new one if those in government do not mend their evil ways or voluntarily leave. The hakbang ng maisog, consistent with its call on the Filipino people to fight for transparency, accountability, peace and security, and its war against corruption, abuse of power, welcomes the new year with the renewed hopes and valiant resistance. The ouster move to impeach VP Sara is a culmination of nearly 2 years of vile attacks against the Vice President, who consistently ranks as the most popular choice to be the next president in 2028. These attacks on her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, her office of the Vice President's staff, and her supporters are meant to weaken, destroy, and ultimately take her out before the next presidential race by foul means. These attacks are also meant to deflect and hide the real issues facing the nation, which are bad governance, plunder, abuse of power, neglect of the people's welfare, and risking the nation in a proxy war. Just last December 30, PBBM signed the 2025 GAA, which clearly has infirmities, violates the Constitution, and designed for political purposes and neither for the development of the country nor the welfare of the people. The line veto of certain items were deceptive, not actually addressing the objections and concerns of the Filipino people. It is another budol. PBBM likewise reorganized the National Security Council, taking out the Vice President and former Presidents as regular members. This clearly shows that the administration is undemocratic, averse to legitimate opposition, allergic to other people's views, and marks another slide into authoritarian rule. The hakbang ng maisog will continue to expose these issues and intensify its resistance to the oppressive manner how government responds to the clamor of the people for change. We expect more and more people will demonstrate their disgust over the government's apathy and abuse and are ready to march in the streets, which we started in the late 2023. The hakbang ng maisog respects and recognizes the initiative of the Iglesia ni Cristo to oppose the impeachment of VP Sara, but also calls on it and other groups to go beyond these political maneuverings in Congress and also address the brazen corruption, plunder, drug use, and repression by those in Malacanang. Alam naman natin yung January 13 ay palapit na, kanya patungkol ito no, doon sa itong ating statement. The problem of the country is not fight between the Dutertes and the Marcoses. It is a fight between the people and their abusive and oppressive officials. The sacred mandate given by the sovereign people are openly being trampled upon by the sheer display of abuse of the elected representatives who are now acting with impunity as the ruthless rulers instead of public servants. We call on all members and supporters of the hakbang ng maisog to join our organized or whatever protest actions nationwide and abroad in a form and content deemed appropriate, including the January 13 activity called by the INC, bringing our legitimate concerns and issues not just to protect BP Sara, but particularly to highlight our war on corruption, war on abuse of power, war on drugs, war on poverty, war against warmongering. We affirm our role as a genuine and fearless opposition to the abuses of the government. And we are firm in upholding a constitutional succession in the event of any regime change pushed by the people or by forces within or outside the government. BP Sara should not be impeached. She has done nothing wrong against the nation. We must protect her as a duly elected leader of the nation. Protecting her is protecting our people. May God bless us in our fight for good governance, which the Filipino people rightly deserve. May we have peace in our land and in the world this new year. Akbang ng Maisog, January 3, 2024. Salamat po at mabuhay po.